Hello there, welcome to Animate with me featuring Flipaclip and how to use it. First, click on the Flipaclip app, press on the plus icon and name your file. You can click on the paint bucket icon if you wish to change your background color. Click on the canvas size. There's a variety of sizes for you to choose, but right now I'll be choosing Instagram 1x1. Lastly, click on frames per second. Frames per second means the number of frames there are in each second of the sequence. Given a set frame number, the bigger the frames per second, the shorter this animation is, and vice versa. Create project. You can pinch to either maximize or minimize your canvas. On your left hand side, this is the tools palette. Click on the tool you wish to use, hold and drag up or down if you wish to change the size or the opacity of the tool. When you click to add frame, you can see a ghost version of the previous frame. This is called onion skinning. It is a technique and a tool used in creating animated cartoons and editing movies to see several frames at once. Here I'm creating a cloud shape, and if you make a mistake, use the undo function on your top right hand corner. Click on the bottom right layers icon if you wish to layer your animation. Working with layers in animation lets you compose animation scenes in a way that doesn't require fitting everything together perfectly in each frame. To duplicate your layer, press and hold your first frame and use these icons to copy and paste. If you wish to reposition your drawings, use the Lasso Tool and select the area you wish to shift without the need to erase or to redraw. Press the play button to review your GIF. Once you are happy with your animation, go to the settings icon, click on Make a Movie. But before you press on the Make Movie button, make sure your format has been changed from MP4 to GIF. Once done, make a movie and click Save to Photos. Your GIF will be saved to Photos and it should look like this. Lastly, upload your work in the Padlet using the shared link. Ensure your name and class is included, along with your reflection using the thinking strategy, I used to think, now I think. Once done uploading your GIF and reflection, take a look at the GIFs uploaded by your schoolmates. Praise one or more GIF that you like by simply liking and commenting on what you think they have done well.